everyone! Today we're diving into something crucial for all you lucid dreamers out there. While lucid dreaming is incredibly safe and beneficial, there are certain actions you should definitely avoid to keep your dreams smooth and enjoyable. In this video, we'll go through 5 things you should steer clear of during a lucid dream. Trust me, avoiding these can make a huge difference in your dream experience. First things first, just because you can do anything in a lucid dream doesn't mean you should. Imagine this. You've just realized you're dreaming. Your first impulse might be to do something super exciting, like jump into lucid dream sex. But hold on. Doing something too stimulating right away can wake you up and end your dream prematurely. It's vital to stabilize your dream before attempting anything too thrilling. Take a moment to ground yourself in the dream world to enjoy it longer. Let's talk about dream characters. Every person you see in your dream is an extension of yourself. So, if you harm them, you're essentially harming parts of yourself. Please don't kill people in your lucid dreams. It might seem like a no-brainer, but the lack of real-world consequences can make you act out. However, doing so can negatively affect your subconscious mind and overall dream experience. Quick reminder before we move on. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. I post weekly tutorials on lucid dreaming, helping you master it and experience lucid dreams every night. Next, avoid closing your eyes during a lucid dream. This one's a bit odd, but trust me, closing your eyes can easily wake you up. It's as if your brain thinks it's time to wake up when you shut your eyes, pulling you out of the dream. So, keep those eyes open to stay immersed in your dream adventure. Entering a lucid dream without a plan can leave you wandering aimlessly. Always have a goal in mind. Whether it's flying, exploring, or meeting someone specific, having a plan helps you stay focused and makes your dream time more productive. Before you fall asleep, remind yourself of your goals or set them during the day. Finally, avoid doing things in your lucid dream that closely resemble your waking life. For example, asking your boss for a promotion in a lucid dream might cause confusion upon waking. You might genuinely think you did it in real life. Dream memories can sometimes mix with real-life memories, especially if the dream scenario is very similar to your actual life. This confusion can lead to awkward situations or misplaced confidence in your waking interactions. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe for more content. By avoiding these pitfalls, you can enhance your lucid dreaming experience and make the most out of your dream adventures. Sweet dreams, everyone!